If you've ever accidentally deleted precious photos from your OneDrive, don't worry. You're not alone, and today I'm going to show you exactly how to find and restore those deleted pictures right from your computer. By the end of this tutorial, you'll feel confident knowing you can recover photos you thought were gone for good. Let's get started. First up, if you tried searching for your photos in the OneDrive app and came up empty, I have a trick that often uncovers missing files. Using a web browser for a fuller view. OneDrive's web version sometimes displays files that the app doesn't, especially recently deleted pictures, so this step can really make a difference. What you want to do is open up your favorite web browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Edge, Safari, whichever you're most comfortable with. Then go to the official OneDrive website. You can just type OneDrive.com into the address bar and hit enter. Once you're there, you'll need to sign in using the Microsoft account that you use for OneDrive. Take your time with this part. If you have more than one Microsoft account, just double-check you're signing in with the right one, because your files will only show under the correct account. After you're logged in, you'll see the main OneDrive interface, a bit like a simple file manager. Now look on the left-hand side of the screen for something called the Recycle bin. This is sort of like the safety net for your files. Any photos or documents you delete get moved here first, not permanently erased. If you've ever thrown something away at home and then had to dig through your trash can a day later, that's exactly what the Recycle bin does. It holds onto your deleted stuff for a little while, just in case you need it back. Go ahead and click on Recycle bin. It may take a second for all the deleted files to load, especially if it's been a while since you checked. Don't worry if you see a long list of things. You might notice not just photos, but all sorts of files you've removed from OneDrive recently. If you don't immediately recognize your photos, try looking for familiar file names or maybe scroll through the thumbnails, because OneDrive often shows you a little preview. Now find the photos you want to restore. You can select a single photo by clicking the little checkbox next to it, or if you realize you need a whole batch, you can click multiple checkboxes to grab a bunch at once. Super helpful if an entire folder went missing by mistake. Just take your time with this. If you don't see your photos right away, remember that items only stay in the recycle bin for a limited time, usually about 30 days before OneDrive deletes them permanently. So if you deleted them very recently, your chances are best. Once you've selected the photos you want, look toward the top of the screen for the Restore button. Go ahead and click it once you're sure about your selection. OneDrive will work its magic and move those photos right back to their original location in your storage. Sometimes it takes a few seconds, so just be patient and let the process finish. And that's it. Your photos should reappear in the same place they were before you deleted them. Take a moment to double-check your folders to make sure everything's back where you expect. I hope this helped you recover your lost photos. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give the video a like. And if you have any questions or you get stuck somewhere, leave a comment below and I'll do my best to help you out. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-follow tech tutorials. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.